So, good afternoon everyone. I'm Aljon Francis Icarion, and this afternoon I'm going to demonstrate the hair shampooing. So the indication is to cleanse the hair and the scalp, to stimulate circulation of the blood, to remove dirt, treating the conditions for the patient's comfort and relaxation. So the first thing that we need to do the 12 sequence. Put the incontinent pad under the head of the patients. The next is put the Kili pad under the patient's head. Then provide it with a rolled towel to elevate the head. Then put basin below the Kili pad for drainage. Then after that, position the patient to supine position with and tilt the head slightly over the basin. Put the towel over the chest to avoid soiling the garments. Then cover the eyes slightly with the moist washcloth to avoid glaring of the eyes. Then put cotton balls in the ears to avoid entering the water inside the ears. Then check the scalp of the patient if treatment needed. So treatment needed. And then check the water temperature. Then do the initial washing. Wet the hair first, then apply amount of shampoo, then gently massage the scalp, then rinse thoroughly until no signs of bubbles. Next is apply the conditioner. So apply the conditioner prepared by the patients. Then rinse thoroughly. Then you can repeat if needed. So after that, use the towel to dry the hair. After that, comb the hair as desired of the patient. Then dispose all the materials properly, then wash hands. So for the documentation, write down the date and the time who did the procedure, the patient's reaction before and after vital signs, and then the hair and scalp condition.